Hello everyone, join me as I dive into the cleaning business and uncover 5 secrets that will totally change the way you think about it. Remember that it can be done without cleaning any homes yourself and can be done remotely. Click the affiliate link below in the description for more information. The cleaning business is often overlooked as a hidden gem of entrepreneurship, but it's an industry that's essential to our daily lives. From keeping our homes sparkling to maintaining the cleanliness of our offices and public spaces, the impact of the cleaning business is undeniable. Yet, despite its importance, many people have misconceptions about what it takes to run a successful cleaning business. Competition is one of the biggest challenges faced by cleaning business owners. With so many cleaning companies out there, it can be tough to stand out from the crowd and attract loyal customers. Another major hurdle is pricing strategy. How do you balance profitability with affordability for your clients? Customer retention is also a major issue. How do you keep your customers happy and coming back for more? Many cleaning business owners struggle to find the right balance between these competing demands. Moreover, the cleaning business is often characterized by thin profit margins, making it difficult to scale and grow. This can be a major obstacle for entrepreneurs who are looking to build a sustainable and profitable business. Additionally, many cleaning business owners struggle to differentiate themselves from their competitors. With so many cleaning companies offering similar services, it can be tough to stand out and offer something unique. This is where innovative marketing strategies come in. Things like social media marketing, referral programs, and loyalty schemes can all help to attract new customers and retain existing ones. However, implementing these strategies requires a certain level of expertise and resources, which can be a major challenge for smaller cleaning businesses. The administrative side of running a cleaning business can also be a major headache. From managing schedules to dealing with customer complaints, there are a lot of behind-the-scenes tasks that can take up a lot of time and energy. This can be overwhelming for solo entrepreneurs or small teams who don't have the resources to hire dedicated administrative staff. Furthermore, the cleaning business is also heavily regulated, with many laws and regulations governing things like employment, health and safety, and environmental impact. Staying on top of these regulations can be a major challenge, especially for new business owners. When it comes to the actual cleaning itself, there are many different techniques and approaches that can be used. From traditional methods like elbow grease and chemical cleaners to more innovative approaches like steam cleaning and eco-friendly products, there are many options available. However, not all cleaning techniques are created equal, and some are far more effective than others. For example, steam cleaning is a highly effective way to kill germs and bacteria, while also being gentle on surfaces. Similarly, eco-friendly cleaning products are becoming increasingly popular as consumers become more environmentally conscious. One of the most exciting developments in the cleaning business is the impact of technology. From specialized software for managing schedules and customers to innovative cleaning tools like robotic vacuum cleaners, there are many ways that technology is revolutionizing the industry. For example, some cleaning companies are now using drones to inspect and clean hard-to-reach areas like skyscrapers and bridges. This not only saves time and money but also reduces the risk of accidents and injuries. Similarly, the use of virtual reality is becoming increasingly popular in the cleaning business, allowing customers to visualize and interact with cleaning services before they're even delivered. But despite all these developments, there's one secret that's often overlooked: the profitability of specialized cleaning services. Many cleaning business owners focus on offering general cleaning services like housekeeping and office cleaning, but specialized services like carpet cleaning, window cleaning, and power washing can be incredibly lucrative. In fact, some specialized cleaning services can command premiums of up to 50% or more compared to general cleaning services. This is because these services require specialized skills and equipment, making them harder to replicate and more valuable to customers. One surprising fact about the cleaning business is that it's not just about cleaning, it's also about psychology. Think about it: when we're in a clean and organized space, we feel more relaxed, focused, and productive. This is because cleanliness has a profound impact on our mental state, influencing everything from our mood to our creativity. In fact, some cleaning business owners are now incorporating elements of psychology into their services, offering things like wellness cleaning packages that focus on promoting mental well-being through cleanliness. Another eye-opening insight is the environmental impact of the cleaning business. Many cleaning products are filled with harsh chemicals that can harm the environment, from toxic chemicals in cleaning solutions to the waste generated by disposable cleaning products. However, eco-friendly cleaning products and practices are becoming increasingly popular, offering a more sustainable alternative to traditional cleaning methods. In fact, some cleaning companies are now offering green cleaning services that focus on reducing waste and promoting environmental sustainability. The cleaning business is also an industry that's ripe for disruption. With the rise of the gig economy and on-demand services, there are new opportunities for entrepreneurs to build innovative cleaning businesses that offer flexible, and convenient cleaning solutions. For example, some companies are now offering on-demand cleaning services that allow customers to book cleaning appointments at the touch of a button. This not only offers greater convenience for customers but also opens up new revenue streams for entrepreneurs. In conclusion, the cleaning business is an industry that's full of surprises. From the challenges of competition and pricing to the opportunities of specialized cleaning services and technology, there's a lot more to this industry than meets the eye. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to start a cleaning business or simply someone who's interested in the behind the scenes of this industry, I hope you've learned something new today. Thanks for watching, and if you have any thoughts or questions about the cleaning business, please leave them in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about starting a cleaning business, be sure to check out our next video where we'll be diving into the nitty-gritty of getting started.